Hello and welcome back. So in today's game, welcome back to KTN Gaming first. So in today's game, we're going to be playing Arkanoid Revenge of Doh. I don't know how you pronounce that. Is it Doh or something like Homer Simpson would say? So we're going to go F1, which I presume is player 1. No. Oops, I pressed wrong button. Let's try that again. I think you have to use mouse for that. Let's go. Missed it. Missed it. Missed it again. Need some of them coloured things to come down. I need some stuff. Missed it. Right, let's go again. Let's lock in. Classic. God, who'd have thought in 2026 I'll be playing this again? That is mad. Crazy, I tell you. Hey, what's that? God, there's flipping loads of him. I've got no chance. Oh my god. God, he's gone really fast. Flipping out. God, he's gone really tiny. Missed it. What's the red one? Missed it again. Not doing very good, I tell you. Oh, that was better. What's that one? Oh, missed it. Missed it again. You see, when you're setting your mouse up on the on your settings, when you go to menu, it's got like a sensitivity setting. I've put it at like 0. It might be like -5. Might be better. Oh, that's a good one. I can remember that one. That goes through it all. That's what we need. Oh, whoa! Don't be adding them. Actually, no, that's helping me. That is actually good. I don't need it tinier. it killed it. Yeah, so that were Arkanoid Revenge of Doh, or DOH. Oh, let me just turn the thing off. Yeah, I can remember playing that one for hours. I think that was one of the first games I got, because when I got it for Christmas, I got it was like a box full of games, and there were elephant one. I can remember that one. International Karate Plus. That were a classic. What else were there? I think I had the Batman game from first film with Michael Keaton. Just trying to remember it all. I mean, this were like 90s. It's like 2026 now. Tanks were a good game. That were good. Master Blaster, that one were a good game. That were like Bomberman, but it were, yeah, I can remember that one. What else were there? There were loads. Leisure Shoot Larry, that one were good. That were like a bit of an adult theme one. I don't know if I'd be allowed to play that on here. They might ban me or something, you know, like soft porn or something. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. Just as like a short video, because I've got quite a lot to go through, which are my favourites. Please like, subscribe if you're enjoying this Amiga stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next one.